kayaking.
So pretty.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Where's the sea otter? This vlog's about to be 2 minutes long. Hi vlog, what are we doing today, Marissa?
We're gonna go kayaking.
We're going kayaking. How tired are we?
What time did you go to sleep?
Wait, that's Rose was in my room till 3 a.m. So after she left, then I went to bed. So fun. I'm gonna take a nap when we get home, that's all I'm saying. We're at Half Moon Bay now. We're waiting for the rest of the people to get here. I was asleep the entire car ride. I'm still really tired. Rose. Well, you're not Rose. Just kidding. What are we doing?
We are at Half Moon Bay.
We're now at Half Moon Bay, but like actually what are we doing? I missed the directions.
Oh.
Marissa is doing the most. I am not very helpful, but she's doing great. And it's a really pretty day right now. Hello. So pretty. Wow. I'm not a very outdoorsy person. I think you can tell. We kayaking. This vlog is about to be 2 minutes long. Where's the sea otter? I don't know what I'm doing. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, Morgan. Hello. How are you, Peter?
Excellent.
Excellent. How are you guys? Oh my god.
It's a beautiful day in Half Moon Bay.
Wow. When he's a poet, Hard Eyes. I'm chilling. The water's really nice. I'm really just trying to get vlog content. This vlog's about to be 2 minutes long. Hi.
Yeah, wait, you guys have to turn around. Without us. No, they're gonna be
Oh my god. Rose, where are we?
We're at Five Guys Burgers and Fries.
Burgers and fries I've never had.
But
No. I've been taking a nap in the car.
I'm gonna take a nap.
I'm gonna take a nap when we get back home.
Girl, you've been taking a nap this
I know. Okay, we're back home and Bridie did a great job driving, so good job, Bridie. She brought us home in one piece. She only hit the curb once, but that's okay. I was asleep, so I honestly didn't even realize it.
I did not realize how little footage I had for this vlog until I started editing it, and it was literally 3 minutes long. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this super short vlog. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Goodbye. See you in the next vlog. Sorry this one was short. There's more, I promise.